How to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you password protect a folder in your Windows 11. So in order to secure your folder with a password in Windows 11, select the folder you wish to protect with the password, right-click on it, then simply go to its properties, choose the advanced option over here, click on it, and then tick on the option of encrypt contents to secure data. Then after, click on OK and apply, and choose the option of apply changes to this folder only. Or if you want to apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files, you can just simply tick this option over here. Otherwise, just click on apply changes to this folder only and again click on OK. And if you wish to unprotect or unlock it, you can just simply go to its properties again, and then after click on advanced and click on this encrypt contents to secure data. Just untick this option over here, click on OK, apply, and click on OK. Because the files were encrypted under your username and linked to your Windows account, they'll only be protected if someone tries to access them with a different account on your device. This is the process for password protecting a folder in Windows 11. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.